सर्वेभ्यः कथं सन्ति सर्वे?
Namaskara, sir.
नमस्ते नमस्ते. How are you, Ashwini?
I'm good, sir. How about you?
Good. Everything okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
सर्वेभ्यः अस्तु प्रारम्भं करिष्यामः इदानीं. अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननं महर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तम् उपास्महे. कामिनी सुप्रकाशिनी काश्मीरपुरवासिनी विद्यादायिनी त्वं देवी त्वत्विन्देहं सदा. अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. वाक्यकारं प्ररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. ॐ सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. सर्वेभ्यः सुस्वागतम्. मया दृष्टः सर्वे उत्तमं पुनरावर्तनं कृतवन्तः इति. उत्तमं कार्यं कृतवन्तः. गौरी महोदयायाः प्रेरणा अस्ति इति मन्ये. उत्तमं कार्यं कृतवती. उत्तमम्. अस्तु, सा नागतवती इदानीम्. अस्तु, अद्य प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? यत्किमपि
I have two on the lesson side. Homework lessons, exercises, a few words.
Okay. So what are the words that you have doubts on?
In Abhyasa 193, Udghatyate is the karmani. Then how do you do past tense of it, or lang lakara?
A plus udghatayat. Right.
Udghatayat.
So we'll do the sandhi part today, and then it will become easier. Okay, today we will complete all sandayah sarveshu sarve sandayah karishyamah adya.
And okay, then the same way grihyate lang lakara will agrihayata
akriyata
grihyate.
Grah dhatu is it?
Attach. To hold. Grihyate.
Agrahyata. Grahyata. Jayabalambika Mahodaya.
Exercise 182 for charvyate. What will be the written the lot lakara form?
What dhatu is it?
Charvyate. 182 page number. It is 1 minute, Madhya.
182, you mean to say exercise?
Yeah, exercise. Sorry, exercise. And the 13th one.
Charv dhatu, go to, the best way to do all this is go to Ashtadhyayi and go for Charvyate. Where is, let's go to Dhatu Pata. Charv dhatu. Okay. Kartari. You can go to Bhava Karmanoho here. Charvyate. See, you can see this here. In Rit Lakara, it will be Charvishyate. In Lang Lakara, it will be Acharvyata. See, in Udghatayati, I can understand why that challenge will come. Because it is Ud plus Ghat. So the Dhatu is Ghat. So you will have to say Uta Ghatayat.
Uta Ghatayat. Okay.
So you will have to, I'll show you what it is. Gha. What happened to this? Okay. Heart.
Without the Upasarga, we can try.
Yes, yes. You need to take the Upasarga and then after that add that this one. Wait. Ghat Dhatu. See, in Ut plus Ghat Dhatu it is. So if you go to Bhava Karmanoho, where is Bhava Karmanoho? See, here in Ghatayati, Udghatayati is Ut plus Ghatayati is Udghatayati. If I go to Bhava Karmanoho, Ghatyate, Ut, and then if you go to Lang Lakara, what will happen is Aghatyata, Utaghatyata. That is what it will become.
Okay.
Okay, it is Ut plus Aghatyata, Utaghatyata. Clear? Okay. अस्तु अद्य इदानीं सन्धिविषयाः किञ्चित् जानीमः वर्णमाला दृष्टवन्तः एकवारं पुनरावलोकनं करिष्यामः अद्य बहु उपयोगं भविष्यति अद्य अस्तु वा नृत्तावसाने नटराजराजः ननादडक्कां नवपञ्चवारम् उद्धर्तुकामसनकादिसिद्धान् एतद्विमर्शे शिवसूत्रजालम्. That is the Shivasutra, this is the sloka, but you have I on till rik a on I out. Swaraha. Yete swaraha santi. Vyanjanani yete santi. Hayavarat, lan, yamangananam, jabang, gadha, dasha, jabagada, dasha, kapa, chata, chata, tava, kapai, sara, hal. Yete vyanjanani, yete swaraha. Yetani vyanjanani, yete swaraha. एकवारं पुनः पश्यतु आ ई उ न र ए ओ I औ. This is the order. Please note the order. एकवारं तस्य नाम आवली पश्यन्ताम् इति बहु vicharaha, a lot of it is dependent on the order here. Okay, we'll see this today in a lot of detail. Okay, of course, we saw the Swatantra Karta, Karturichitabam Karma, Sadakatamam Karanam, Karmana Yam Avipreti, Sa Sampradhanam, Dhruvam Apaye Padanam, Adhikarodhikaranam, Shesha Shashti. We saw this one when we saw all the cases. Vivaktayah yada drishtavantaha tada etat sarvam drishtavantaha. Etani sarvam. Ashtu. Ekavaram punaravalokanam. Okay. Savarna dirgha sandhi sarve drishtavantaha kila. Sarve jananti idanim. Akara yojana akara, akara yojana akara, akara yojana akara, athva akara yojana akara, a iti bhavishyati. Savarne dirghe. Astu va? Similarly, इकार ई ई अथवा इ ई अथवा ई ई अथवा ई ई एते सर्वे ई इति स्वरः दीयन्ते उकारः सेम उकार योजना उकार उकार योजना ऊकार ऊकार योजना उकार ह्रस्व दीर्घ दीर्घ उकार एव दीयन्ते समानमेव ऋकार लृकार समानमेव सर्वे दृष्टवन्तः एते पूर्वं सर्वे दृष्टवन्तः अत्र यणसन्धि अपि दृष्टवन्तः इको अत्र सूत्र अकः सवर्णे दीर्घे पाणिनी सूत्रः अकः अक् आ इ उण् ऋल् ऋक् ककार यत्र अन्ते भविष्यति अ आ इ उ उ ऋ ऋ ऋ ऋ सवर्णे अकार योजन अकार यत्र भविष्यति आकार भवितुम् अर्हति इति अर्थः क्लियर दिस इज वेरी क्लियर अक सवर्णे दीर्घे that is this one सवर्ण परवर्णे किं भविष्यति इति अन्य संदेहान् पश्यामः पश्यामः इको यणचि इक ई ई उ उ ऋ ऋ ऋ ऋ इक ककार यत्र अन्त भविष्यति इक यण् यदि इकः पूर्वस्थाने इकः भविष्यति इक् भविष्यति परे स्थाने यण् भविष्यति सॉरी अच् भविष्यति तदा यण् आदेशः इति अर्थः सत्यं वा किम् अच् इ उ ऋ ऋ पूर्वं वर्णम् अच् अ आ इ उ उ ऋ ऋ अत्र पश्यतु आ इ उ अच् अ टु च एव्रिथिंग यत्किमपि भविष्यति तत्र पूर्वपदस्थाने यण् आदेशः यण् अर्थात् य व र ल प्लीज सी दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इकार स्थाने यकारः भविष्यति उकार स्थाने वकारः भविष्यति ऋकार स्थाने रेफः भविष्यति ऋकार स्थाने लकारः भविष्यति in the general scheme of things the way we know the alphabets we know it as ya ra la va ha correct but if I say yana it becomes ya va ra la see ha ya va ra ta ya va ra la this is rearranged by Padini for this specific for this reason he creates all the 3995 sutras based on this order so that order becomes very important for all of us astu va so yan ya va ra la so ikara will match with yakara ukara will match with vakara rikara will match with refa rikara will match with lakara so yatra e plus a ya u plus ya u plus a va r plus a ra r plus a la if it was e plus u it would have been u correct we have seen enough examples of yan sandhi so far adya idanim agre gamishyamah guna sandhi kim iti pashyamah everybody is clear up to about yana sandhi and savarna dirgha sandhi any doubts about this
I have a doubt. So,
yeah
so if it is r plus u, then what will it be? Ru?
ru
Okay.
ru
So e plus a would also be that? No, that's
Huh?
the another group. Yeah, sorry.
yeah e plus a will be a correct
A, yeah, okay. Yeah,
correct you are right because ikara will be replaced by yakara
yaka. Okay.
e plus I will be yai
Yeah.
okay
Yeah, then you're
ach will mean anything from akara to aukara
oh,
If you look at this, A, E, U, R, A, O, A, O, I, O, Cha.
All the-
This is where the tag Chakara comes in. Ach. That's why it's called Iko Yanachi. Achi. That Achi means in Achi. Something in. That is the Saptami Vibhakti. Adhikarane Bhavishyati. Achi. Okay. So anything following E to E, U, R, R, if it is followed by A to Au, then E to Ru will be replaced by this. Everything else remains same. Clear? Doubts on this?
It is only for Hrisva, not for Dirgha.
Also for Dirgha, because if you look back,
Yeah.
A, E, U,
Yeah,
R,
so that
it
is,
means
yeah.
A, E, E, U,
Yeah,
U, R, R.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it is E also, it will mean it will take Yakara.
Yeah. Okay.
It will not change. It will take the Yakara even if it is E.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions?
I think I'm just getting
Pashyami
it
plus
now.
aham. Huh?
I think I'm just getting it now.
We did this 6 months back. 6 months ago, we did this.
This instead of any A, E, U, A, I, anything
Yes.
can be used, and
Anything
you
can be
use the
used.
matra there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pashyami plus aham. Pashyamyaham.
Hum.
The yakara. Pashyamyaham.
Yeah. Yeah.
Correct? Pashyami plus etat. Pashyam etat. Correct? Shall we move ahead?
Yeah.
Shall we go to Gunasandhi?
Mhm.
Yanasandhi and Savarna Dirgha Sandhi should be very clear before we move to Gunasandhi. Okay? Don't confuse between how Yanasandhi is coming and what happens with this Gunasandhi now. Okay? Let's move on. I will keep referring to this, so that's why I put a lot of slides with Varnamala. So please note. Okay. Gunasandhi. The Panini Sutra here is Ad Gunaha. Ad. So if I were to expand this, Anuvritti Sahitam Sutram Kim Bhavishyati Ad Gunaha. Sutras are very cryptic forms. So there can be something that needs to be added in between the sutra to get the full meaning. So At Achi Purva Rupayoho Ekaha Gunaha. So what does it mean? Avarnat. That is akara or akara. Yadi bhavishyati. Achvarne pare. That is purva padam akara. Purva varnam akara atva akara. Bhavayuh. If it is akara or akara first, followed by ach. Ach will mean everything.
Yeah. All of them. Yeah.
Pare. Samhitayam purva parayoho. Ekah gunaha adeshaha. It will become guna. It will become an extra one. Now, what is extra? Let us look at what does it mean by extra. If it is ikara, it will become ekara. Deva plus Indra. Here is akara is the ending. Ikara is the beginning. So it will become Devendra. Deva plus Indra, ikara will take ikara. Okay. Similarly, if it is akara, Ushna plus Udakam. What is Udakam?
Water,
Water. What is Ushna?
hot.
Hot. It becomes Ushnodakam. Ushna plus Udakam becomes Ukara takes Okara. Okay. Now, unfortunately, for Rikara, there is no Vriddhi. You can't do a Vriddhi, you can't do a Guna in the same Swara. So it takes Ar. And similarly for Rikara, it takes Al. Okay. Now, let us say what happens if you now you may have a question. What happens if akara is followed by ekara?
Oh.
Correct? That you can't do a guna. There is no following term for it. That will come in the next one, which is called Vriddhi Sandhi. We'll wait.
Vriddhi Sandhi. Yeah.
Okay. So there is no guna that can happen to ekara. Right. So now Maha plus Rishihi, Maharshihi. Krishna plus Nrikaraha, Krishnalkaraha.
Why did this Maha become Maha?
Huh?
In Maharishi, why did this Maha become Maha?
That is the rule. Whether it is Akara or Akara, it has to take Ar.
Okay.
The guna is only Ar.
Okay, okay.
It is not it is not Maharishi. You can't say
Because
Maha.
A plus A has to be A only, no, according to Dirgha Sandhi.
That is Savarna Dirgha.
Ah,
That is not in this case. Ar. It will take only Ar. Nilima Mahodaya, any challenges? I think it is the same in all Indian languages except for Tamil.
And unfortunately, I'm Tamilian.
Huh?
Unfortunately, I'm Tamilian.
No, a lot of Tamilians are there, so don't worry about it. So the challenge with Tamil is the Varnamala. Varnamala is a little different. So that takes a different form. Nilima Mahodaya, is this Hindi mein bhi yahi hai na? Okay. Telugu also it will follow the same rule. Somebody is from Telugu land, no? Okay. Marathi also follows the same thing. Ashwini Mahodaya can confirm, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us see some examples of this here now. Let us, where did I put that? Okay. Right. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Nara plus Indraha, Narendraha. Sura plus Indraha, Surendraha. Jnana plus Upadesha, Gnanopadesha. Bharata plus Indu, Bharatendu. Deva plus Rishi, Deva Rishi. Sarva Ikshana, Sarvekshana. Okay. So somebody tells you they are doing a Sarvekshana. The word survey comes from this. Sarvekshana. All right. Okay, let me now show some more in this one. Okay. Upendra, Devendra, Dharmendra, Narendra, Pushpendra, Bharatendu, Rajendra, Virendra, Shubha Ichha, Shubhecha, Satyendra, Surendra, Swa plus Ichha. This is a very interesting term. Swa plus Ichha. It can be Su plus A plus Ichha. I can do it that way also. Svecha. Su plus A is Swa. How is Su plus A Swa?
Who will become Va in Yan Sandhi?
Yana Sandhi. Okay. So first it is Yan Sandhi, then Swa plus Icha, Svecha. Kamala Isha, Kamalesha. Gana plus Isha, Ganesha. The way we say Ganesha. Ganesha is Gana plus Isha. Gananam Isha. One who is the Isha of Gana. Dinanam Isha, Dinesha. Devesha, Naresha. Parama Ishwara, Parameshwara. Suresha, Somasya Isha, Somesha. Mahendra, Mahatindra. Yatha Ishta, Yatheshta. See, Atrapi, Akara plus Ikara, Ekara eva bhavishyati. Rama plus Indra, Ramendra. What is Rama plus Indra?
Ramendra only. Rama.
Rama plus Indra, Ramendra. Rama plus Indra,
Ramendra.
Ramendra. There's a difference. Ramendra and Ramendra are not same. Okay. Ramendra is Rama plus Indra.
That
Okay.
is Strilinga.
Don't write it as Rama plus Indra. Okay.
So Ramendra is Strilinga then.
No, Ramendra is not Srilinga. Because Indra, it is see, there is a rule in Samasa which says it takes the last word.
Okay.
Indra. Okay. Ramayaha Indra Ramendra. See, it is still Indra. Indra is Paramount. One who is the Indra of Rama. Who is Rama of Indra?
Ram.
Who is Rama's Indra?
I don't know her name.
Rama.
Rama also. Okay.
Who is Rama?
Parvati, no? Rama is?
Rama is Lakshmi. So Vishnu. Ramendra. Rajendra. Okay. Umesha. Mahesha. Maheshwara. Ramesha. Okay. Rakesha. Rajesha. Lankesha. Lankaya
What is
Isha. Lankesha
What
kaha?
does Raka mean? There's no meaning for this Raka.
Raka, there is meaning for Raka. Raka is this the Raka is Ya Raka Ya Saraswati. So Saraswati is also called Raka. It's a flowing form. There is a. It's also Raka also has a meaning for what is ash. Everything that is burnt out.
That Rak in Hindi is ash.
That is also there. That is also Ya Raka Ya Saraswati that comes in Saraswati Sukta. Okay. Akara plus Ukara, Okara. Chandra Udaya, Chandrodaya. Deshopakara, Narottama, Nilottama, Paropakara, Purvodaya, Basantotsava, Basantasya Utsava, Basantotsava, Mahotsava, Rogopachara, Rogasya Upachara, Rogopachara. Correct? Lokokti, Lokasya Uktihi, Lokoktihi. Lokopachara, Lokopacharaha. Vivahotsavaha. Virochita, Vira Uchita. Sarvodayaha, Suryodayaha. Hita Upadesha, Hitopadeshaha. Gita Upadeshaha.
Gitopadesha only.
गीतोपदेशः एव गीतोपदेश यत्र भविष्यति गीता प्लस उपदेश भविष्यति गीता प्लस उपदेश न भविष्यति गीत एव भविष्यति अस्तु वा उच्च ऊर्ध्व उच्चोर्ध्व जलोर्मि
You're dragging.
नवोढ़ा नव
Your voice is dragging.
एक निमिषं
Oh, I thought it was only for me.
इदानीं सम्यक् अस्ति वा अस्तु उच्च ऊर्ध्व उच्चोर्ध्व one which is high urdhva itself is up higher than up jala urmi navodha samudrormi. What is urmi?
Bubble? I don't know.
Ray of light.
Ray of light.
Ichha. Ichha.
Ichha is also one way of putting it. Yes. Ichha, ray
What
of
is
light.
this Jalormi means? What does it mean? The Urmi is a ray of light.
Radiating out of the jala.
Okay.
And what is Navoda?
Huh?
Navoda.
Navoda.
Udha. I'll tell you what is Udha. Wait.
Married, just married.
Yes. Okay, that is a homework for you.
Mhm.
Find out. Udha. Find out what is Udha. Okay. Let us go on. Just a minute. Give me a minute. Find out what is Udha. It'll surprise you all.
Udha
One
is
way of
married
putting it
woman.
is what Melima Mahodaya said. Huh?
Udha is married woman.
Uda, yes, one way of putting it. There is one more meaning to it. It comes from the dhatu, vah dhatu. Okay. So, find out. Something, nava udha. Yes, one way of putting it is newly married. Okay. Akara plus ukara. Ukara. Ganga udaka. Gangodaka. Mahotsava. Mahodadi. Mahodaya. Mahodyam. Maha plus udayam. Mahodyam. Okay. Mahopakara. Maha plus Ushna. Mahoshna. Okay. Vidyonnati. Unnati. Vidyaya. Vidyasu Unnati. Vidyonnati. Okay. Gangormi. Okay. Devarishi. Brahmarishi. Saptarishi. Maharishi. Rajarishi. Okay. Prashna santi va? Clear? Okay. Okay. Can we move on to Vriddhi Sandhi? If Guna Sandhi is clear, we can move to Vriddhi Sandhi. Guna Sandhi kim bhavishyati? Purva Varnam Akara athva Akara. Paravarnam I U R R. I U R R sthane kim bhavishyati? Guna bhavishyati. इकारस्य स्थाने एकारः भविष्यति उकारस्य स्थाने ओकारः भविष्यति ऋकारस्य स्थाने रेफः भविष्यति ऋकारस्य स्थाने अल् अल् इति भविष्यति अस्तु वा अत्र पश्यताम् ऋकारस्य स्थाने अर् ऋकारस्य स्थाने अल् ओके ओके वृद्धि सन्धि पश्यामः वा एक निमिष I think there is a mistake here. Okay. वृद्धिरेचि इति पाणिनि सूत्रम् वृद्धिः एचि एचि अर्थात् किम् एचिः अर्थात् ए ओ ऐ औ करेक्ट इन एचि व्हाट डज इट मीन अवर्णात् एच वर्णे परे संहितायां पूर्वपरयोः एकः वृद्धि एकादेशः भविष्यति एग्जांपल akara plus ekara or okara will become aikara or aukara Okay. Similarly, akara plus aikara, because it is achi, will also be aikara. Akara plus aukara will also be aukara. Correct? So let's see this in detail. Akara plus ekara, aikara. Eka plus ekaha, ekaikaha. Vana oshadihi, vanaushadihi. Okay? Clear? This is Vriddhi. So remember in Gunasandhi, it was E, U, R, R. Here it takes in this A and O. A, O, I, OU. So please remember A, out, I, out. So A, O, I, OU in Vriddhi Sandhi. This is how it takes. Mata ekata, mataikata, ekaikaha, dhana eshana, dhanaishana, sada eva, sadaiva, maha oja, mahauja. Okay. So let's go and do some more in this and see what Vriddhi Sandhi I have here. Lokaeshana, lokaishana, Vitaishana, Vitaishana. Now, as I said, a plus I will also be I. This is also Vriddhi Sandhi. Nava Aishwarya, Navaishwarya. Bhava Aikya, Bhavaikya. Mata Aikya, Mataikya.
Is it Bhavaikya or Bhavaikya only?
Bhavaikya. Yeah, it should be Bhavaikya. Sorry. Bhavaikya. Yeah, it's a typo. Mata Aikya, Mataikya. Okay. Tatha eva, tathaiva. Akara plus ekara is also aikara. Akara or akara, both of them can be one and the same. Sada plus eva, sadaiva. Right? Jala odha, jalaudha. Danta oshtha, dantaushtaha. What is oshtha?
Lips.
Lips. Dantaushtaha. Parama oja, parama oja. Vana oshadihi, vanaushadihi. Okay. Now, a plus aukara is also aukara. Deva audarya. Devaudarya. Parama audarya, paramaudarya. Parama aushadha, paramaushadha. Maha plus oja, mahauja. Maha plus ojasvi, mahaujasvi. Maha plus auda, mahauda. Maha plus outsukya, mahautsakya. It should be mahautsakya. Mahautsukya. Maha plus audarya, mahaudarya. Maha plus aushada, mahaushada. Maha plus aushadi, mahaushadi. Okay. Okay, we will see this next. Clear? Any questions? So everybody is clear about the difference between Gunasandhi and everybody is clear about between the difference between Gunasandhi and Vriddhi Sandhi, Yanasandhi, Gunasandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi. Swarasandaya, Sarve Swarasandaya Sandhi. Between Gunasandhi, Yanasandhi and Swarasandhi. Everybody is clear? Any questions? No. Very good. Okay. So we should do a lot of exercises with this. The another sandhi which is more important is what is called Yantavanta Adesha Sandhi or Ayadi Sandhi. Nilima Mahodaya, any ideas on what is Ayadi Sandhi?
I can't think of it right now.
You can't think of it right now. H, that is between A, O, I, O. Whenever it is there, that becomes I, O, I, or ow. I'll just show this to you now. That is the power of the arrangement that Panini has made. Okay. This is called Ayadi Sandhi or Yantavantadesha Sandhi. Okay. Yecho Yavayavaha. Okay. So just bear with me for a minute. I'll break this up. Yechaha. Aya, Ava, Aya, Avaha. That is what it means. Yechaha. Yechaha arthat kim?
From age.
Yechaha arthat is this. A, O, I, O. Correct? Order is important. Please note the order. Don't confuse the order. When I say H, it should not be A, I, O, O. That is the usual order we know.
Yeah.
Right? But in this case, he has rearranged. And there is a reason why he is rearranged. I'll show you why. A, O, I, O. Okay. Now, whenever it is H varnanam sthane sammitayam sware pare I, O, yete adeshaha bhavanti. So essentially, if your Purva Bhava is A, O, I, O, this is the order. Please note the order. I'm not saying A, I, O, O. I'm saying A, O, I, O. It is followed by Ach. Ach is what? I, I, U, R, A, I, O, O. Correct? Wherever it is followed by that, then it becomes A will be replaced by I. If it is A, it will be replaced with I. If it is O, it will be replaced with O. Okay. If it is I, it will be replaced with I. If it is O, it will be replaced with OW. Okay. This remains the same. Ach will remain the same. It will follow the same thing. So let us take an example. A plus E will become I plus E. So 1A iti. It will become 1I iti. 1I iti. Okay. So 1 Ekara, if I take out Ekara, it becomes 1. If I add I to it, it will become 1I and it will become iti. Iti will remain the same. 1I iti. O plus E will become O plus E. Sadho iti. Sadhaviti. I can take out the Okara, it will become Sadha. It will be replaced by Au. It will become Sadhav plus iti. Sadhaviti. Okay. I plus E will become I. Vandai iti. Vandai iti. So this I will be replaced by I. If you look at this is the one-to-one mapping. First one will go with this, second one will go with this, third one will go with this, fourth one will go with this. That is why he has made it as A-O-I-O and not A-I-O-O. The moment you say A-I-O-O, it will become I-O, and O. So you'll have to be very careful with it. That's why it becomes Yecho Yava Yavaha. I, Avaha. Okay. I, Avaha. Ow. That is the beauty of Padini. That is the whole. He'll develop all 3,995 sutras just by using this set of 14 syllables that he has, sounds that he has created. What are those sounds? I would, rilruk, a old, I out, haya varat, lan, amangananam, jabang, gadadash, jabagadadash, kapha chata tav, kapaya, hal, shasha sar, hal. Next year when Vyanjana Sandhi will be introduced, it will become all the more interesting. Jashtva, Chushtva, Okay, toshtu, nashtu, all those things will come in. Okay. So it is very interesting how he has arranged it, and that is what makes it very great about it. Ba-au plus E becomes au plus E. Ba-lau plus iti, ba-la-viti. Okay. The questions?
This is actually pretty difficult. When I see Bala Viti, I would never think it is Bala and Iti.
Correct.
So that reverse thing we have to keep doing it.
Yes, you have to be very careful about it.
Yeah.
How can we, what is the way to
Yeah.
find out?
Huh?
What is the way to find out? Like, if you see Bala, we
Yeah.
can't say
Balaviti. Balau plus iti. It is just like Yadasandhi, you know. How do you find out in Yadasandhi?
that
Those
means
are
at least
easier.
were all you can see
Yeah.
that
Correct.
and if.
Here also when you see Vakara, you should make out that some form of this
Yeah,
one
yeah.
is there.
Okay.
Whenever you see Yakara or Vakara, please take it back to Ikara and Yakara.
Mm.
Okay. So then it's about whether it is Yadasandhi or Ayadi Sandhi. And then if it is Akara here, Balau. That's how we'll have to extract it. That's why I'm giving you the sutra here. It's very important. If you know the sutra, if you know this becomes easy. See, I can give the same set of sutras for the vibhaktis also, but the vibhakti will become very complicated. I don't want to get you to how to derive the vibhaktis. Also, there are very interesting sutras. For akaranta, what will be the sutra? How to derive akaranta? How to derive ikaranta? All these things are very interesting sutras are there. But it will be very confusing. Because multiple sutras will then start triggering. Okay. So that's why I didn't get into that detail. But these are okay. For Sandhi, it is very, very nice to have these sutras. Okay. So let's see. Okay, let's go back to this. Gai plus akaha. Okay, wait. Gai plus akaha, gayakaha. See, gai dhatu. We all know gai dhatu, no? So akaha is a pratyaya which comes. That is why it becomes gayakaha. Okay. O plus a. Au plus a. That is how it will become now. Ava. Po plus ana. Pavana. Au plus a. Pau plus aka. Pavakaha. How is pavakaha derived? Pau plus akaha. Pavakaha. What is pavakaha?
Fire.
Fire.
Does it occur have any meaning?
Huh?
Like
Aka is actually a pratyaya. That is a form that takes, because of if you add aka, it takes a different form. See, for instance, pavana. We all know what is pavana.
Yeah.
Okay. Pau plus ana is pavana. So if you say pavana, it is wind. But pau plus aka is actually fire. One which blows is pavana. One which consumes is pavaka.
Mm.
Okay, so these are certain intricate things. We'll not get into it too much right now, but over time it will become clear. Now plus ika, now navika.
Now, when you say akka is one which consumes, here it says.
No. Akka is not something that will consume. Please don't take it.
Okay. Pavaka is that.
It is just pavaka. In the case of pavaka, it will consume.
Okay.
Because I can't say that for gai plus akka. No.
That's right.
No. Akka is a pratyaya. There is a rule for akka when akka comes in. Okay. Ne plus ana, nayana. Now plus ika, navika. Bho plus ana, bhavana. Po plus itra, pavitra.
This is so difficult.
Yeah.
No, leave it.
Interesting, but
Yeah. You have to put it into your head.
That's why each syllable is very critical in Sanskritam. If it is not If it is not useful, it is not there. As simple as that. Shro plus Ana,
Actually-
Shravana.
If you look at Pavitra itself, you don't think it is a, it's a Sandhi word at all.
It can be made into a Sandhi word, correct? Pavati, Pavi. Okay.
So what do these stand for? An, ak, and all these?
Yeah. Just leave it as for now. Leave them as tags and some forms that they take. Don't get too much into it. Otherwise, we'll get too confused. See, as we have been discussing throughout, any word in Sanskritam comes from two forms. One is the dhatu, which is a root, or the other one is what?
For the noun, the base for the noun is called.
Huh?
Iganta or something.
No.
Pratipadika.
Iganta and Supanta.
Subanta.
Stem. It is basically a stem form. Okay, these are all stem forms. Now there have been some transformations that have happened and it has come to this. So leave it for them for now, leave it at that. Okay. So these are the sandhis. There is one more small sandhi that we need to do, which is what is called Purva Rupa Sandhi. Purva Rupa Sandhi is very simple. See, whenever there is a ekara or okara followed by akara or akara, it becomes a dirgha. Vane asti, vanesti. And that a becomes silent. That's all. Vanesti. It does not mean akara is lopa. Please note, akara does not become a lopa here. There's an adesha that it should be a dirgha. Vanesti. Sadhostu. Okay. So these are what are all the sandhis swara sandhis that we need for this year. One form is remaining, which is called Prakriti Bhava. We'll look at Prakriti Bhava at some time because it will need a little bit practice. Everybody should be practiced with it. Okay. So, question for everybody. 1 minute. Let me. Okay. Everybody has the Parichaya book. Anybody who does not have the Parichaya book? You don't have the Parichaya book. Oh, very good. Not a problem. Then let's finish this off. Give me a minute. Okay. Let's go to this. What I'm now going to do is start typing the word. You have to split the sandhi and tell me what sandhi it is. All right. Okay. Let's start with what is this?
Asti iti.
Sti and iti.
Asti plus iti. Correct? What sandhi?
Savarna dirgha.
Savarna Dirgha.
Savarna dirgha. Okay. Next one is what? Split this.
Kritva api.
And then
Kritva api.
Krit-
Api.
Okay.
Again Savarna dirgha.
Savarna
Dirgha.
Okay. What is this?
Tasva api. Tasva api or
Tell me what is this now?
Last one is api.
Tasva.
No. Oh, there's a
Taha.
verb. Oh,
Taha plus api.
Taha plus
Oh.
api. How will it be taha
No,
plus
no,
api?
no, no. Va is there.
this is verb. What is that one? E, right?
Vibha Mahodaya, यत्नं कृतुम् इच्छति वा?
This is
Two plus api.
न एकनिमिषं महोदय, एकनिमिषं. विभा महोदय प्लीज स्पीक. Yeah, विभा महोदय speak.
Mobile data is almost I can't say anything. I hear only.
Okay, no problems. Okay. Nisha Mahodaya.
Task plus api, even I don't know, sir, what's the meaning of
Okay, then
there
was
are three words.
no, there are only two
Plus
words. Okay. Ashwini Mahodaya.
Yes, Mahoday. Now I'm sick. Mahoday. Which one?
Tasvapi. You want to try splitting it?
Yeah, Tasvapi. Taha plus api.
Taha plus api. Okay. Who all agree with taha plus api?
No, it's Visarga, no?
It can't be, no? If it is
Ah,
Visarga,
yeah.
it would have been taha plus vapi, not api.
Yeah, yeah.
task
Huh?
task plus api, task or task plus
Tasu. Correct. Tasu.
plus
Sa te taha. Tam te taha. Correct. Tasyam tayoho.
Tasu.
Tasu. That's where it helps to know these things.
So that va is for ukaranta.
What is this sandhi now?
So it is
Yana
Sandhi.
Yana
Yana
Sandhi.
Sandhi.
Yana sandhi. Correct. Okay. Then
I said two.
okay, good. Let's try this. Ashwini Mahodaya, you want to try this? Nilima Mahodaya. Drishtveman.
Drishtu imam sounds like it. I don't know.
Drushto imam. Okay. Imam part is correct. That much I'll give you. But Drishto is not right.
Drish.
Ashwini Mahodaya. प्रयत्नं कर्तुम् इच्छति वा?
दृष्टा A plus A, A plus E, even.
Right. So this is to be split. I'll give you how it is to be split. A plus E will give you
A.
right. Now tell me where is the A part that should come in here?
Drishta.
Drishtva.
Drishtva. Drishtva plus imam. Correct?
Yes.
And this is what sandhi?
गुणसंधी.
Sandhi.
Purna Sandhi. Uttamam. Okay. Next. This who okay, Sushila Madhya can try this.
Saha iva.
Saha Iva. Is it Saha Iva?
Sa iva. Sorry. Sa iva.
Is it Sa Iva?
Sa plus
Sa eva.
its I is eva. Eva.
Ah.
Sa eva.
Sa plus Eva. What Sandhi is it?
Sa plus vriddhi sandhi.
Vriddhi. Next. Yeah. Jai Balambika Madhya.
Likyantyapi. The second half is api. The first half is likantu plus api.
Likhantu plus api will be likhantvapi, no?
Twapi. Okay.
If it
Likantyapi.
has to become likhantyapi, what will it be?
Likan. Yeah, so it will become Likantyapi. Likan.
Latlakare likhati, tell that. Likdhatu latlakare.
Likhati. Likatah likanti. Likanti plus api.
Likhanti plus api. What Sandhi?
E plus will become ya. It is yan sandhi.
Yana Sandhi. Good. Okay. Next. Okay. Nai tat. Parvati Madhya, you want to try this?
Na plus etat.
Ah?
Na plus etat.
Na plus etat. Good. What Sandhi?
Vriddhi sandhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi. Okay, next. This is good. Tell me, what is this?
Are there two sandhis involved in this?
No,
More
there's
than
only
one? Only one?
Just now we did this.
Vidita. Vidita. It end is
Etau.
ata. Au.
Correct. Very good. Who said now? How does ow come? You'll have to now direct how to get ow.
Is au.
Ah,
Au will change into au.
correct. Ow plus a will give
So vidite.
Vidito eto.
I've given you how it comes now. Correct. Who said that? Viditau?
Vidito eto.
Correct. Viditau plus a tau. Correct. What Sandhi is this?
Yanta vanta.
Yantavanta Adesha or Ayadi. Correct. Very good. Okay. Ah. Let's make it put out. What is this?
Who is Uro?
Gurau
Urau Uditah.
Udita.
plus Uditaha. This is also
Ayadi
Yandavan.
Ayantavanta or Ayadi Sangeet. Very good. Okay. Okay. Let's do a very simple one now. What is this?
Chandra plus Udaya.
Chandra plus Udaya. What is this, Sandhi?
Rib. The
Gunasandhi.
Gunasandhi.
Guna Sandhi. Good. Okay. Then that is okay. Let's do something else.
Ta plus Atra. Tau plus Atra.
Tau plus Atra. What Sandhi is this?
Tau plus what?
Uttavanta.
Antavanta.
Antavanta.
Good. Okay. Then what is this?
Ipeshu api.
Deepeshu api.
Peshu api.
What Sandhi?
Again, it is Ayadi.
Ayadiya.
Ayadi, Ayadi. No, wait, I have
No.
Yan Sandhi.
Yan.
Ikara. Ukara plus Akara becomes Vakara. Correct? So,
Ekatra.
plus,
Sita.
what is this?
Vriddhi
Vriddhi
Sandhi.
Sandhi.
Again,
Huh?
Vriddhi Sandhi.
Vriddhi.
Is it Vriddhi? Think
Nine.
again.
Na plus A plus A, I. Vriddhi.
Vriddhi
No,
Sandhi.
Vriddhi
Guna.
Sandhi. Na
Yeah,
plus A.
Vritti.
Correct. Vriddhi. Okay.
Testing us.
Okay. Then let's do the last one.
Uttara Uttaram.
Uttara. What is this?
Again, this is
Gunasandhi.
Guna.
Gunasandhi.
It's Guna Sandhi. Okay. Now what we'll do? Okay, now do this. What will this be?
Pashyan. E plus A. Pash. Pashentra.
Pashyan.
E plus
Pashyantra.
Pashentra. Yeah, I think.
Pashyan. Now tell me what should be here. After this what?
A.
Pashyantra.
Pashentra.
Pashyantra.
Eat.
Yatra.
Yatra. Yantra. Yatra.
Because ikara will turn into yakara.
Yeah. Mm.
Correct? Pashyant yakara. Pashyant yatra. What sandhi is this?
Yana Sandhi.
Yana
Yan
sandhi.
Sandhi.
Okay. Okay. Ah. Is this
Maheshaha.
Mahesha.
Mahesha.
It came in the examples.
Maheshahava?
Allah.
Again.
Oh,
Mahi.
yeah.
Mahi-
Plus E. E.
Mahishaha.
Mahishaha. Mahishaha only.
Mahishaha.
E plus
Yeah.
E
So
will
it is
give you E
Maha plus
plus
Ishaha, it is Maheshaha. Mahi
Mahi-
plus Ishaha is not
Mahishaha.
Maheshaha.
It's Mahishaha only and it
Mahishaha.
is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Ah.
Tricky one.
Okay. So now you know what to expect because I think in another 8 classes we'll finish off the portion. Okay. Then probably somebody will give you a test.
Krishna.
So
Is
tell
it
me how you
optional?
want the test.
Is it optional?
If you want a
Everything is
certificate, you can write the test. Preferably, you should write the test. I would suggest you write the test. So you tell me how you want the test. There can be multiple modes of testing. We can do a simple, very fanciful Google form setup test where you click, and you get the answer. That's a very straightforward test. Second test is you can do a take-home test where I'll give you the paper, you can take home, you can spend
That's
3
easy.
days or 4 days and
That's-
then send back the
I like
answer.
that.
That's better. I would do that.
I like that.
You like
I
that?
second that.
Fantastic.
It'll make
Fantastic.
me work at least.
Sir, both, sir. Even Google form also, sir.
Okay. The third form is you give me a test, I will write the
Yeah,
answers.
pa.
Only thing is
Only-
I should not be able to answer at least one question from each of you.
Oh, no. Chance
Impossible.
nahi. Not at all possible.
Not happening.
Unless we write something terrible.
You give me that is easier way of testing. You set the question paper, I'll write the answers. You'll all pass if I don't answer. I'll not answer 10% of the questions.
You pa.
We'll never pass.
Yes, you'll never pass.
We'll do it that way. So that is also a good way of testing. So if there is any other way of testing, let me know. We can do that also. Yeah. So anyway, so ideally there will be some form of a test to get this one. It's a good thing to just write it and see what you think and how it comes. All right.
When approximately,
Then-
Mahoday?
Huh?
Mahoday? When approximately? Which
End
month?
of May. End of May.
Okay. Because I'm traveling at that time, but it's okay.
When are you traveling?
So first end of this month and then end of May again, but it's okay.
Okay.
I'll
We'll figure
figure
it out.
out when I get closer to the date. Yeah.
Yeah. No worries. Na plus would.
Plus O.
What is this?
Plus
Navonati.
U.
No.
Unnati.
Na.
Yes, Nilima Mahodaya, you're saying something.
Oh.
Nilima Mahodaya?
Plus U.
I was thinking
Oh.
of
No, nothing.
Nonati. I was thinking
Nonnati.
Navonati, but it should not be that.
It should not be that. Why?
Where should ver come from?
Huh? What should it be? You are saying Nonnatihi. Who all agree with Nonnatihi? Nilima Mahodaya said Nonnatihi. Correct, no?
I was about to say Navonati, but I don't know how that will come about.
Navonnati is not possible, no?
Right.
So what should it become then? Just split everything.
A
Just
plus O.
split.
A plus O will become O only, no?
No,
So what should it be?
no, nothing.
No, nothing.
No,
Nonnatihi. That is all. Very simple. What Sandhi is this?
Guna Sandhi.
Guna.
No Sandhi. That's all. Nothing very fanciful. This is important. What is this?
Pashyanti.
Pashyantyah.
Pashyantyah.
Tyah.
Tyah.
A plus E.
Pashyantyah.
Yeah.
Who all agree it is Pashyantyah?
E plus A plus. No.
Pashyan.
Tyah.
Tyah.
E plus
Pashyantyah.
Go back to this.
E plus E.
Tyah.
Pashyanti plus
E plus E is E
Pashyan-
only, no? So Pashyanti.
Pashyanti.
E plus E.
Jaivalambika Mohdaya.
Pashyanti.
Pashyanti plus iha. Pashyan E plus E. Oh, Pashyanti.
Tyah.
Iha.
Clear?
Yes.
Ashwin Mohdaya, Vibha Mohdaya, any questions? This is clear?
Pashyantiha plus E.
Pashyantiha. It is what?
Savarna Dirgha.
Savarna Dirgha.
Swarna.
Dirgha, Savarna Dirgha. Okay, and then let me see what else is there. What is this?
Yes. E becomes
Gruhisha.
Grihaish.
Gruheisha.
Grihaishah.
1%. Vibha Mohdaya was saying 1 minute. We should.
Gruheisha. Gruheisha.
Gruhaishaha. Okay, Gruhaishaha. Na. That will be wrong. Gruhaishaha will be wrong. Think again. We have just done it. We did it just some time back. Ashwini Mohdaya.
Gruhaishaha.
Gruhaishaha. That's what Vibha Mohdaya also said.
Is this the Antavanta thing?
What is Yantavanta Adesha?
I don't know. Yeah, but
What is the Adesha?
it becomes
Griha Vesha it is. Is
Gruhaisha.
it Ba comes there?
Gruhaisha. Isha.
E plus
Graha
A plus E.
Yishah.
Gruhaishaha. I. Ekara will become I. So this will be one.
Ish.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
How does it become?
A will.
A
Gruha
plus E is
Gruha plus I plus Ishaha. Is this what it will become? Ekara will become Aikara.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
yes.
It's difficult.
Yeah, he told us it will take the guna that follows also. Yeah, got it.
Does this?
This is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
This is Savarna.
Sudasti.
Sudasti. Okay. Let's do the same thing.
Sudhe. Sudeti.
Correct. This will be. What Sandhi is that?
Guna
Sandhi.
Sandhi.
Guna Sandhi. Sudha. Okay, I am removing Sudha for some reason today. Let me give you one more with Sudha plus Eti. Okay. What will this be?
Sudai.
Sudai. What is this?
Vriddhi Sandhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi. Okay. What will this be?
P. Etai P.
P.
Yep.
LP, what? This was the last thing we did.
A will become
A.
this will Eta and
Tamanta.
Purva Rupa Sandhi it is. Will be we will
Etopi.
write that
Etopi.
Etopi.
No, no, it will still remain te only.
Ete api.
Etepi. This is how it will be.
Etepi.
Purva Rupa.
Ah,
Okay. It will still be
Avagraha.
etepi. The avagraha chinna will come there. That's all. Ete plus iha.
Etaiha.
Etyah.
Etyaha va?
Etyah.
Why? Why etyaha?
E plus
becomes I. Yeah.
Eteha. Eteha.
I also got Ete.
Eteha.
A plus I. A plus E.
What was Parvati Madhya saying? What were you saying? You are saying something.
Etyah. Etyah.
Etyaha. You'll have to refine that. You are near, but you need to refine that. It is not
I
yet.
know it's the third is the halanta. It's just the to remove the A.
What does it become?
Twaha. E. The E. Etyah.
Etayah.
Eta?
Yaha.
Etayah.
Eta yaha.
Etyaha.
Nilima Madhya, you are saying something. Tell me.
Etayah. Ya.
Eta iha. Correct.
Etyah.
What sandhi is it?
Ayadi sandhi.
Ayadi Sandhi.
Yeah.
Ayadi sandhi. Correct. Eta iha. Correct.
A plus E.
Plus A. Tene.
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 What is this?
A plus
Ashwini
E
Madhya.
is A.
Yeah. Ashwini Madhya, you want to say?
Tena yidam.
Te nedam. What does it
Yes, 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 sir.
correct?
Yes, sir. Tenedam.
Te nedam. Then what is this?
Paramartha.
Paramartha.
Paramartha. Paramartha. What is this?
Dirgha Sandhi.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Savarnadita. Okay. That,
A Shaite.
Shruti.
A plus A. A Shaite.
Ye shaite.
Yeshai.
What sandhi?
Vriddhi. Vriddhi Sandhi.
Di.
Yeah. Then,
A plus
A plus
R. Margyan. Margyan.
Ma- Margenia.
This is Savarna and also Purva Rupa Sandhi? No.
Margenyah.
Margenyah.
Purva Rupa, yeah.
Correct? Okay. Let's see if we have any more. First one we can do. Sandhya. So something like this. Yeah. What will this be?
Patantyatra.
Yatra.
Patan Tyatra.
Patanti Tyatra.
Patanti Tyatra.
Patantyatra.
Correct? First part is Savarna Dirgha.
Dirgha Sandhi.
Then you have
Yeah.
Yad Sandhi.
Yes.
Correct.
Ganeshotsava.
Ganeshotsava.
We know the words. It's easy.
Savasti. Ganeshotsavasti.
Oh.
Ganeshotsavasti.
Asti.
So what all sandhis are there here?
Ganesha and Utsava is
Gunasanti.
Gunasandhi and
Plus
Savarna
Savarna
Dirgha.
Dirgha Sandhi.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Uttamam. What is this?
Pragachati.
Atra gachati.
A plus E is A. Atra
Chati.
Cheti. Cheti.
Cheti.
First is Savarna Dirgha. Second one?
Gunasandhi.
Guna Sandhi. Uttamam. What is this?
Taranati. Uttarottaronati.
Taronati.
Uttarottarunnati.
Uttarottaronatihi. Okay. This is Guna. Guna Sandhi throughout.
Gunasandhi.
Okay. Good. This is one part. This is okay. Okay. Now a few things that are remaining will stop for now at this point. I'll send you this what we have practiced for now. I'll send it in the group in the mail. Okay. So a few things that are remaining now are Karmani Prayoga we have more or less done. Is there any, do we need to revise Karmani Prayoga again? We do?
We have the time, yes. Why not?
If you have the time, of course. There are a few other things that we need to do actually. See, there is Bhave Prayoga, Vidhiling and Bhave Prayoga are two things that we need to sort of do. Okay. Apart from that, there is also what are called these Chatushlokaha and some some riddles. Okay. So those I plan to do in 2 classes. Last 2 classes will be for that.
Have we done the, we had to also do the third pratyaya, right? Have we done that?
Ta pratyaya, yes. These are the 3 things that we need to do. Vidhilinga, Bhave Prayoga and Ta pratyaya. Correct? Otherwise, we have pretty much covered the entire syllabus. We have done the numbers, we have done the cardinals, we have done the ordinals, we have also done Chitchan, Visheshya, Visheshya. All that we have done. Today we have covered Sandhi also.
Tavya Tanir also we have done, right?
Tavya Tanir we have done, we can do it again actually. Ta and Tavya Tanir will do in 1 class. Next week we'll do Ta and Tavya Tanir. Okay. We'll do those things. Next week, any doubts on this one, please come back with any doubt. If you have any questions, there are some exercises in the Vyavahara Pradipaha for Sandhi, the RSS book. This is not in the Tritiya Bhaga, at least in the Tritiya Bhaga, it will have it.
Oh, Tritiya
Tritiya
Bhaga.
Bhaga.
We do
Tritiya
have.
Bhaga does not have Sandhi. Sandhi is there in the Tritiya Bhaga. Please go through them.
But we don't have Tritiya Bhaga. It is
You
only
don't
1
have?
and 2. Only 1 and 2 we were asked to buy.
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No. Hold on. Yes, there is only one. In Dvitiya Diksha, there is a Tritiya Bhaga.
Okay.
So you'd have totally have 4 or 5 books totally in all. Not 2 books.
In RSS book, there are only 2 books, 1 and 2.
This is
Oh, you only have 2 books.
Yes.
Oh, okay. See, because in Dvitiya Diksha, there are 2 copies. This is Dvitiya Diksha.
Yes. And this is
Right.
Dvitiya.
Dvitiya Diksha itself will have 3 books.
Actually, Dvitiya Siksha, it is our books end at Shatruj and Shan, it is something like that.
Yeah, that is true. Prathama Diksha also has some parts. Anyways, I'll see where it is and I'll try to bring it up. We will see what to do. All right. Okay. Any other questions? Anything else to be discussed?
How was your trip?
How was my trip? Very good. I went to Kashi and had a trip in Kashi, Ayodhya, Naimisharanya. Of course, I went to Prayag and Gaya also on the way, but these were the 3 highlights of the trip. Yeah, you should visit Ayodhya.
Naimisharanya. I've been there.
Naimisharanya is the Shakti
Where
Pitha of.
Vishnu's chakra is supposed to have fallen.
Yes,
I
Chakra.
went there from Ayodhya.
Correct. That is where Litamba's Hridaya is there. That is this one. That is the Shakti Pitha. Along with it, there is also the Satyanarayana Puja. Those of you who do it, that is where it started. Suta Maharshi's where he told the story of Satyanarayana Katha to everyone. That is the thing. There is one Hanuman. So Ayodhya is a beautiful place. They have done it very well. Of course, only 25% of the work is over. So a lot of work is pending. And maybe in the next 3-4 years it will be done. But very beautifully done. Something you will get to see Ramalalla for at least 2-3 minutes while you're walking through the queue. It is not like other places where you go there 10 seconds, not even a few seconds and you're
5
off.
seconds.
Yeah, you're off it. So it is very well designed. The temple is beautifully designed and beautifully managed. In fact, the queue system is very well managed. On the day we went, it was not so crowded, but even if it is very crowded, it wouldn't take more than 45 minutes to an hour to get your show. And there are no particular seva apart from the Shayana seva at the night. Apart from that, there is no other seva which they are permitting. That is also Shayana seva is also, you can book it online and that's also free. There's absolutely no such this one. So it is very well managed at this point at least, and we hope that things will continue. And it is a lot of things are being developed around that. The whole area is being developed. So it is well done. So I was quite impressed with the way Ayodhya has done that. So a lot of economic activities also happening. We can probably discuss that next time around. I'm sure of things.
I saw Ramlala in the tent 2 years back. 2-3 years
Yeah, I had seen it in 94 as well. I was there in 94, the year after he went to the
All
tent.
the army people and everything, and it was like
Yes,
not
yes.
like a temple. Yeah,
Yes, yes, it was very sad.
yeah,
Now,
very,
same
very
thing is also Murthy now.
Mm.
So,
Sir, my parents were also there when you were
oh,
there.
oh, interesting.
Yeah,
Great.
Gaya, Ayodhya, and Kashi.
Oh, you should have informed.